Swimming, anyone? Alright, we're trying things a little different today. We're going urban. I don't know how it's gonna work out, but we're gonna try it out. Alright, spot number one. This is what we got to work with. It's not too bad here. You could actually hit this with a kayak, but all we have is a little wee hatchback and no way to haul them. So we're gonna bang it from shore, see what happens.
Alright, fancy little frog to start. Seeing as we got some breeze, sun's out, see what happens.
See, turtle head's poking out already.
Yeah, I got it from one
Alright, here's what's been eating all the worms. And about the only thing we can seem to catch. Just barely. Pretty little guy though. Probably won't be long before we change spots.
Alright, spot number one was a bust, so we're on to spot number. We got a goat path to walk. It's gonna take us a bit, but see you when we get there.
Yeah, the nice steep incline. Hopefully it's worth it. There's what we just passed. If we had a kayak, we could fish it, but we can't.
All right, welcome to the jungle. We got horse flies, black flies, deer flies, mosquitoes, bears. Yeah, deer. Okay, so that's what we're trying to make our way to, but we have to go all the way around. Oh God, it's wet in here today. And that's what's on the other side. We have to cross. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Oh boy. Oh, that is fucking swamp. Oh yeah, I already got wet. Oh, that was wet. Oh, you lose your boot in there real quick. Ah, he's biting my hand. Oh, prick. All right, I'm gonna get through this hole and then I will. Wait, I'll let you get a peek. She's dirty back here today. All right, we've made it to the main trail. We've already been eaten alive, but we're gonna keep pushing through here. All right, we've arrived at our destination. It is tough as shit to fish, but there's good fish in here. And they bite top water. So, cross your fingers. Ladies and gents, boys and girls, I think that might be a new personal best bass, or pretty damn close too, on the Chatterdonk. Man, I was getting worried. I probably threw 50 casts already and didn't have a single bite. Man, oh man, that's actually first bass of 2025. Unbelievable. Wow, is he ever hooked though? Poor bugger. Let's see if we can get this out. Hard to do with one hand. Whew. Snap a photo and get her back in. Alright, fish number 2. This one was fucking with Sarah. So I came and got it. We had a little sunfish. Alright, ladies and gents, location number 3. Putting some miles on. Now, I did have a buddy probably about, I don't know, 15 years ago, pulled a massive, I don't know, I'm going to say easy 34, 38 inch pike out of here. So I know they're in here. They're hard to get. But there's a little hole down in there where the bass and the catfish like to hide. So we'll see if we can't pluck some out. All right, last spot for the day. Give it one last ditch effort. See what happens.
Turn that down.
Copyright.
Yeah.
Well, we tried. We got skunked in our last spot.
I got nothing today.
Whole
Sean
lot
caught
of
my
nothing.
one bass.
Yeah, I stole a bass. Be not too bad in Calendar. I guess if you're sheltered and in the bay. But the main lake was not that nice.
No.
So, till next time. Thanks for watching.